I pay attention with my eyes. I pay attention with my ears. I pay attention, staying quiet. I wonder what I'll learn. Alright, let's focus. Ready? Here it comes. Whoop. Ta-da! Okay, boys and girls, let me show you. I'm going to fix my tree. It's bothering me.
I want to see your head.
I have a question first. So much better.
Get that out of the way, huh?
Okay, so I have a question for you first. So I'm going to sit in front of the camera. We
10:05.
So, today, you made something in art class. Can somebody raise their hand and tell me what you made? Hi, Woody, what did you make?
I make a pumpkin.
A pumpkin?
Yes, because we put sprinkles as Miss Maria making because we put the white coloring and stick it and go to the grade now. Miss Rania, I'm gonna put the candy on. I like the chocolate all the time.
Okay, thank you. I think it was very detailed what we made. So did you make pumpkins? Thumbs up or thumbs down? If you made a pumpkin, give me a thumbs up. Okay. Today, we are also making a pumpkin. Hands down. Today, we are also making a pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Now this is a different kind of pumpkin. So we talked about something special last week. Mateus. Let's see, I think we need to do a really quick song. 5 little ducks went up one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. But only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. Only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. But only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. Only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. But none of her little ducks came back. So Mama duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. All 5 of her little ducks came back. Okay, calm your bodies. You should be sitting on your spot, crisscross. Crisscross on your spot.
Timmy.
Calm your mouth. Listening ears. Crisscross. Crisscross applesauce. I think you're a little far up. You're crowding yourself. Okay, so you made pumpkins today, right? Well, we're going to be focusing a little bit on pumpkins in these next couple of weeks because of the holidays coming up and the fact that it is fall. Something else we focused on last week. We talked about something. I'm going to make some faces, and I want you to tell me what we talked about based on what you see. And I want you to raise your hand. Remember, no blurting out. I haven't said anything yet. Put your hands down. I haven't done anything. Ready? What did we talk about last week, Malika? What did we talk about last week? What did you see me doing just now? Your butt? We did work. What did we talk about that I just showed you with my face? Ola.
Most. Yesterday we put the pumpkin and yesterday we put the pins in our hands.
In art class?
And then we stuck it like shinies and then we put Ola. We have to put candies.
Hola. Do you know what we did in class last week? Did you see me making faces? That's what we're gonna talk about right now. What did we do in class? If you know the answer, raise your hand. Don't blur out. I'm gonna do it one more time. Watch my face. What are these that I'm showing you that we talked about last week, Mateus?
Emotions.
Emotions. Thank you, Mateus, for not blurting out. Emotions. We talked about emotions. Happy, sad, disgusted, angry, scared.
We said disgust.
Disgusted. Remember we talked about disgust? What is disgust? Show me the face. Yucky. Yeah, good job. You have a good memory. So, those were the emotions we talked about. So, we are making special pumpkins today that are going to have an emotion.
Emotion.
They're going to have an emotion. So, you
What
can
is
choose.
emotion?
What is the emotion? We were just talking about it.
What is emotion?
Happy and sad and angry and surprised and scared. You know, when we make these faces that make us look like we're all these different emotions, we're going to make an emotion, a feeling, for our pumpkin.
What about we paint our pumpkin?
Oh, we're not painting today. So, would you like me to show you how we're going to make our emotion jack-o'-lantern?
Yeah!
So right up here today we have our document camera. So instead of sitting right in front of you and drawing, I'm going to come over here and show you what I'm making. So let's see. I might actually need to turn the lights out for this. Where's my light switcher?
Me?
Go ahead, sweetheart. Can you go turn the light out for me? Thank you. So helpful. I love it when you guys have little jobs to do.
You're gonna
So, we can think of the one we saw earlier, but in your opinion, that's really dark, isn't it? Ta-da! What shape would you say a pumpkin is?
a circle.
Yeah, it's got circle from the top. From the side, it looks kind of like an
Oval.
oval, right? So we're looking at it from the side. You can make a round pumpkin shaped like a circle. You can make a flat pumpkin that's shaped a little more like an oval. That's up to you. Pumpkins come in all shapes and sizes. All shapes and sizes. So I'm going to leave my pumpkin here for inspiration. So I'm going to look at it when I think I need to know. So here we go. Let's move this up just a little bit. All right, I think we're ready. I'm going to take, what color? Orange. 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 Pumpkins come in different colors too, but for today, I'm going to make mine orange. It is an oil pastel. Good job. It's an orange oil pastel. So I'm going to make my pumpkin big and round. Ooh, you can't see it. Leif, darling, could you turn the lights back on? I think we do need to have them on to be able to see. He's got a lot of work to do today, huh? Let's see if this works. Definitely not. Goodness gracious, this is difficult, isn't it? All right, Leif, guess what? I'm just going to keep you busy.
Let's just turn it back off and back on.
Off and on and off and on. Let's see if we can see it better now. Ooh, I see it a little bit better, huh? Maybe I'll just continue a little bit. I'm going to use the lighter orange one. Over here. Over here. Ooh. I wonder if I brought a brighter light over it would work. Let's see. Let's use my big circle light. My big circle light.
Oh, it was better.
Yeah?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
On the other side.
I only have one right here.
Yeah.
There.
Better.
Now we can see our pumpkin.
Yeah.
Goodness gracious. That's what happens when you have a black background. It's hard to see. I'm going to use my lighter shade of orange so we can see it a little bit better. Now, am I going to leave my pumpkin like this? Is this what color pumpkin looks like?
Yeah.
Orange on the outside, black on the inside like this? No. What do I need to do? Color my pumpkin in. I make my pumpkin.
Teal.
So I'll take my color.
I can see it.
You can see it? Oh, good. It's so
It
bright.
looks like it's glowing. Yeah.
A little bit. It has that cool color on top of the black that makes it pop out and say, hi, I'm orange.
I love it. The color looks like golden.
A little bit like golden. And then I'm going to
I
add some
love
orange
it.
over it.
I love it. I love it.
And I'm going to try to fill in as much of it as I can. Because that's what thumbs up coloring looks like.
I love it.
Ooh, boys and girls, I'm so glad you love it. Hi.
There's more on the top. I love it.
Yeah, there's more. It's good that you love it. Wow, we don't need to say that we love it so many times.
Yeah.
We only need to say it once.
Yay.
Alright, so now that I have my golden color, I'm going to add some more of my dark orange to make it more of a pumpkin color.
Yeah. To make it side.
A little bit orange.
Let's see what is inside.
Let's see what's Well, I think we will see what's inside, but that's an experiment for another day. Today, we're just going to color, and we're going to give him a nice face. So, at the top, unfortunately, my pumpkin doesn't have one, but a lot of times a pumpkin has a stem, and that's where it was growing out of so that it could be plucked from the vine. So sometimes it's about this big, sometimes it's this big, so you can make yours however you want. But it looks like a tiny little rectangle.
Yes.
I'm going to make it out of green.
Not heavy.
Tiny little rectangle. Here, let me show you what I have so far so you can see it in real life.
Wow.
Okay?
It looks like
So
a
good.
real pumpkin.
Thank you. That's very high praise. So I have my pumpkin. Does my pumpkin have an emotion? Does my pumpkin have a face?
No.
I think there's some things I need to add
Yes,
now,
Papa,
huh?
we need to cut his face.
So now I need to make him a face. Now I'm not going to cut it out of this paper. I'm going to add his face. I'm going to add his
real
face.
pumpkin.
So I'm going to take this just so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to make it like the color. Let's see. Where's my scissors? There they are. Okay, so for my mouth, I think I'm going to make an excited pumpkin. So what shape should my mouth be?
Happy.
So, let's see. Should it be a big circle?
No.
Should it be a big letter that looks like half a circle, like this?
Yeah.
Let's see. I'll let you look, and you can tell me if it's good or not, and if I should change it. Make it a nice big... No, not a line. Is this excited?
Yeah.
Oh, what about this? Okay, so I want to do this one like this. Yeah? Okay. So I'm going to put this on his face right here. Ooh, happy pumpkin. No, I'm going to make his eyes. I have to make his eyes now. So let's see. Sometimes pumpkins have triangle eyes. Sometimes they have circle eyes.
Circle eye.
You think I should? What do you think I should do?
Triangle eye.
I see triangles, circles. Okay, we're gonna do a vote. You can only pick one.
Triangle.
If you want me to make triangle eyes, raise your hand. If you would like me to make circle eyes, raise your hand.
Circle.
Okay, it looks like my triangle eyes have the bigger vote, so I'm going to make 2 triangle eyes. Look how I'm using the bottom of the paper to make my straight lines. What is it?
Triangle.
I'm going to put it right there. Alright, I'm going to make another one. I'm going to try to make it about the same size.
How did you do triangle?
What do you mean, how did I do the triangle? See me? I'm cutting one side and then the other side. Triangle eye number 2. Okay. My pumpkin has 2 eyes.
That's funny.
Okay. Now, this is if we have time. If we don't have time, we don't have time. But if we do, we're going to make some teeth for our pumpkin. Some teeth. Because what's a pumpkin without teeth, right? It's a normal pumpkin, huh?
Pumpkin don't have teeth. Pumpkin don't have teeth.
Pumpkins don't have teeth?
No.
Pumpkins don't have faces either.
Manos.
Calm down. Alex, turn around.
And eyes. They don't have eyes.
It doesn't usually, but on Halloween,
Manos.
we make decorations.
Decorations.
Decorations. This is the kind of decorations we're making. So we're making our pumpkins have faces, which is silly. And we're going to give them teeth, which is also kind of silly.
Look at Tanya.
I think we'll save our teeth making for another day. But today, I want you to pick an emotion. So we're going to... Liz, will you turn the light on for me, sweetheart?
That's the funny guy.
You're doing a great job today, Lace. I know you've gotten up a lot of times. Thank you. So, here's what I have so far. Eyes and ears.
A funny guy.
Alex?
Funny guy. Funny guy.
A funny guy. He's excited. So, let's talk about the steps I took. What's the first thing I made on my pumpkin?
A pumpkin.
What?
Circle.
Julie, what's the first thing I did?
Circle.
I made a circle. What color circle? Made an orange circle. Okay, made an orange circle. What's the next thing I did, Malika? I colored in my pumpkin. What's the next thing I did? Somebody raise their hand. Ola.
Green vine.
We did the green stem. After we made the green stem, I had to decide what... I had to decide an emotion to put. And I decided on an excited smiley face. So after I decided, okay, I want my pumpkin to be excited. Then what did I do? What did I do next? Tia, what did I do?
You put the mouth and the eyes.
I put them on? Did I cut them out first? Yeah, I had to make them. Mateus and Manos. Control your mouths. Calm your bodies. Yes, Ability? Yeah, it looks kind of similar to the pumpkin I brought up here. Yeah, and then I'm going to bring in more pumpkins for us to look at and compare. And see what makes pumpkins different, what makes them the same. What's inside of the pumpkin? We're going to find out what's inside the pumpkin. We might even eat it. Oh, that would be crazy, huh? Alright, boys and girls. So, drew a circle, colored it in, made a stem, decided on emotion. I decided excited. You can choose angry or scary or sad. It's your pumpkin, so you choose. Okay? And then you're going to cut out your mouth and your eyes and glue them on. Today, actually, let's have you. I want you to turn to a person beside you and whisper what emotion you want to do. Turn to somebody beside you. Whisper. Tell them emotion you want to do. Now whisper back. Make sure both people get to talk. Oh, turn around. Talk to Sarah really quick. Alright, switch. Do another partner. Choose a different person. Choose a different person.
Where I need to do first.
Let's see. I see Tia sitting right there. Why don't you talk to her really quick? Excellent. I hear so many ideas. So I'm going to count down from 5. When I get to 0, I want you to be done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, boys and girls. I'm going to call you. When I call your name, you may go sit at a table. If I don't think you're making a good choice with the table you have chosen, I will move you to a place where you're going to make very good choices. Okie dokie? Nicely done, cheeky monkeys. Okay, let's see. Can I get... Mustafa, go choose a table and start making your pumpkin. Mateus. Amaya. Maddie. Yusuf. Lace. Razan. Sarah. Tia. Ola. Malika. Julie. Alex. Abudi. Alright, talk for a minute.
There is no place for kids. Orange, let's start with the orange one. Make it big.
Mommy can get smaller. Remember tiny?
Your choice.
I'll make it flat. I'll make it round.
If there's no paper at the spot you sat, then maybe you should find a spot that has paper. There's one right over there. That's how it works, my friend. What do you need, honey? Remember, what color is our pumpkin? Julie, Tia, what color is our pumpkin? What color do you have? You did? Now you're coloring it in? Nice. Nice.
Orange.
Oh, I didn't know we had those. The magnets, yeah?
What?
Oh, yeah, I know it's plastic. No, there's metal ones in there. There's two metal. No, you keep them. No, you keep them. I just didn't know we had them. Thank you, sweetie. All right, Alex Pops. Are you ready to start making your face? Okay. All right, to make your face.
Now just go on it.
Oh, no, I know. I was like, oh, we have these. We can do magnet things.
Yes, we have.
I was going to bring some from home. If your pumpkin is ready, you may grab scissors and a black piece of paper to make your emotions. Remember, if your pumpkin is small, is your face going to be big?
No.
No. If your pumpkin is small, your face will be small.
I got a
Abudi, start
candy
making-
I cannot do the other side. I like orange. And me. This one is medium. This is the pumpkin. Medium too. I like.
All right, make your face in there.
No. I
You
want
want
to make a happy face. Make a happy. Look, you said one face and mine. No, I'm making mine.
You are.